Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this look that Selena Gomez did on the Rare Beauty page. Yes, I'm recreating a Selena Gomez look. Like, what? I never thought I would say that in a million years. I am old. Don't come at me, Selena fans. I'm old. I really don't follow her, so I mainly know her for the stuff that gets tweeted and stuff. So I started off with primer, then the cream tone eyeshadow, very similar to my skin tone. Obviously, if you're not as pale as I am, you can use something that's a little darker that matches your skin tone. Concealer also works. And the palette that I'm using is the Player palette from Revlon. It's kind of a dupe to the new Rare Beauty one, except it has a few more colors. Maybe it's not as opaque, but you know, it gets the job done. And it has the lime green, which I'm applying all over the eyelid and also just winging it out. The only thing I will say about this Revlon palette, the pans are super thin, so you gotta go in with smaller eyeshadow brushes, otherwise you will start mixing the other colors. But this lime green wasn't the most opaque, but it did layer nicely. Now I'm going to take that sky blue, which again, there is a shade very similar to that in the new Rare Beauty palette that Selena used. But yeah, I mean, it gets the job done. It gives me the same type of vibe that she was rocking. So I'm applying it on the outer like 3/4 of the lid and just winging that out as well. And yeah, it took again a few layers, but the eyeshadow did layer up quite nicely, so I'm not gonna complain too much. So now I'm actually going to use a Rare Beauty product, and if you followed me for the last month and a half, you know, concealer. Yes, Rare Beauty concealer. I freaking love that shit. It is so good. It blends out so nicely. So after I'm done concealing and doing all that, if you're new, I don't really do foundation. I just like going in with concealer. Now I can go in and do the lower lash line. I couldn't really see what she did too much from the video that she posted. I did see that she went in with the green a little bit, so that's what I did. I did a little bit of green in the outer and also the inner lower lash line area, and then in the center portion where I didn't apply that lime green, I went in with that blue once again and just started smoking it out. Kind of wanted to incorporate a little bit of the blue in the lower lash line. Maybe it's not what Selena did, but it's my take on that look, okay? So now I'm taking the two blues, the darker blue as well as the lighter blue that we applied before, and I'm just going very, very lightly over what I had done previously just to give it a little bit more of a blue look. And again, this step, I'm just lining very, very thin along the lash line. I don't know if Selena did use a liner, but I felt like I wanted to define that lash line a little bit more, so I just went in with the darker blue. For blush, I did notice she went in with a contrasting warmer blush, so that's what I did. It is not Rare Beauty, it is from Tower 28, but again, it got the vibe there. So for the waterline, I just went in with this lime green eyeliner from ColourPop. I thought it looked nice and just kind of sealed the look. So now mascara. This is again not Rare Beauty, this is Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I'm back on that trade again. I'm definitely going heavier on the makeup than Selena did, but I just, you know, I'm feeling quite pale right now. Especially with winter, I want to add color to my face, so a little bit of bronzer. This is the Thaler bronzer from Kimchi Chic Beauty. Then I'm lining my lips. I am using MAC lip liner in Whirl, and then I'm gonna go in with gloss also from Kimchi Chic Beauty. I am using one of the high key glosses in the shade Natural, which is pretty much the same color as my lips, but it's better. It's my lips, but better shade completely, and very glossy, not sticky. I really like this lip gloss. And of course, I can't do a look without going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter that I've hit pan. So now I just kind of combined the two shades and get something that just, you know, suits my skin tone. So I highlight the tip of the nose now, and also I did a little bit on the inner corners of the eyes. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a very colorful look, but it was very quick to do, very simple. If you don't like green, don't worry, you can substitute any type of color. You can do a pink version, purple, blue, whatever you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did in the comments below. Also check out that huge scrunchie that I got from Target. I love it. Well, yeah, let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're brand new, and I will see you guys very soon. I'll see you on Sunday with an Animal Crossing video. All right. Bye.